I want to show the world something they've never seen before. I want to offer the world something creative. I mean, you see people dancing all the time. They're doing the same tricks, same everything. And I want to bring something a little new for my little town, big town of Houston.
Stop him, yeah. Oh, God. My man right there.
It's all right.
That's what's up. You know what I mean? Like, that's the epitome of what I'm talking about. I'm not impressed by nothing too much. That was probably the sickest hip-hop popping style, freestyle that I've seen in a long time. You're going to win America over.
You got it.
All day long. All day long. Boom, 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 boom. Woo! Woo! Oh, God. You just made my day. My weekend right now.
No, you have some wicked moves, I tell you. But I would like to see a little bit more in the performance with your face.
It's coming.
If you were a judge here watching yourself do that, would you put yourself through? And be honest with me now.
Being completely honest, yes, because I think it shows a lot of potential. But obviously, that's not my job to decide. It's yours. But you asked me, so.
Okay.
I think.
No, I think that's fair enough, and I think that's what we decided. That's why you're going to Vegas.